This is a list of Women's Tennis Association records since its inception in June 1973. Some records additionally extend back a few more years in order to include the immediately preceding Virginia Slims circuit era for completeness. The Virginia Slims circuit started in September 1970 and was replaced in 1973 by the WTA. These, however, do not make up the entire Open Era records. For those, see Open Era Tennis Records, Women's Singles. Sources: except for the information concerning active players, the source for the all-time table is the 2014 Sony Ericsson WTA Tour Official Guide. Court and Wade began their careers and were winning tournaments long before the Open Era started in 1968. Therefore, the statistics shown above do not reflect their entire careers. For example, Billie Jean King Career Statistics lists 129 career singles titles for King. Youngest WTA number 1. Oldest WTA number 1. This table lists the players with the most career singles wins over the world number 1 ranked player since the Women's Tennis Association began computerized rankings on November 3, 1975. Source: 2012 WTA Media Guide, compiled by the Sony Ericsson WTA Tour, page 178. Updated, November. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.